In this section, we are going to study subtraction using calculation on paper, subtracting hundreds from the tens and carrying down twice. Put each digit into the right place when you use calculation on paper. Both 1 and 4 are ones, so write like this figure. And tens and the hundreds the same way. Next, use a ruler when you underline, like this. First, calculate the ones, but we can't calculate 1 minus 4. So take 1 from the tens. Draw a diagonal line on the 2 in the tens place. And write 1 over the 2. 1, which is taken from tens, is equal to 10 in the ones place. So now we can calculate the ones. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Write 7 in the ones place. Next, calculate the tens. Because we took 1 from tens, the calculation in the tens place is 1 minus 9. But we can't calculate 1 minus 9. So take 1 from the hundreds. Draw a diagonal line on the 7 in the hundreds place. And write 6 over the 7. 1, which is taken from hundreds, is equal to 10 in the tens place. So now we can calculate the tens. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Write 2 in the tens place. Lastly, calculate the hundreds. 6 minus 0 equals 6. So write 6 to the hundred place. Write the answer to the subtraction. That's all. Now we are going to practice. Push the pause button and let's try. When you finish, push the play button and check your answer. Then, check your answer. 555 minus 79. The answer is 476. Number 2, 230 minus 68. This is the same way number 1. The answer is 131. Did you get the right answer to the both questions? Finally, we are going to review what we learned today. Put each digit into the right place. Use a ruler when you underline. First, calculate the ones, but we can't calculate 0 minus 9. So take 1 from the tens place. Draw a diagonal line on the 3 in the tens place. And write 2 over the 3. 1, which is taken from the tens, is equal to 10 in the ones place. So now we can calculate the ones. 10 minus 9 equals 1. So write 1 to the ones place. Next, calculate the tens. Because we took 1 from tens, the calculation in the tens place is 2 minus 9. But we can't calculate 2 minus 9. So take 1 from the hundreds. Draw a diagonal line on the 2 in the hundred place. And write 1 over the 2. 1, which is taken from the hundreds, is equal to 10 in the tens place. So now we can calculate the tens. 10 minus 9 equals 1. And 1 plus 2 equals 3. Write 3 to the tens place. Lastly, calculate the hundreds. 1 minus 0 equals 1, so write 1 to the hundreds place. Write the answer. That's all for today's lesson.